Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen every night? It's a common challenge we all face, isn't it? Juggling our busy lives while trying to cook healthy, delicious meals that don't take forever to prepare. Enter the wonderful world of meal prep and time-saving cooking hacks. In this video, we're going to focus on one versatile ingredient that's a staple in many households: chicken. But not just any chicken, we're talking about juicy, tender, shredded chicken. We'll be exploring 3 different ways to prepare it, each method bringing out unique flavors and textures that will elevate your weeknight dinners. From a simple and comforting chicken soup, to a spicy chicken taco filling, and a creamy chicken casserole, these recipes aren't just easy to prepare, they're also packed full of nutrition. So if you're ready to transform your dinner routine, stay tuned if you want to know how to make your weeknight dinners easy and delicious. The first step in our chicken meal prep is to cook the chicken. This is a crucial stage because the way you cook your chicken will determine how easily it shreds. Boiling or slow cooking are preferred methods as they ensure the chicken is tender and easily shreddable. To boil your chicken, fill a pot with enough water to cover the chicken. Bring it to a boil, then let it simmer until the chicken is thoroughly cooked. Slow cooking, on the other hand, involves placing your chicken in a slow cooker, adding some water or broth, and letting it cook on a low setting for a few hours. But before you begin cooking, don't forget to season your chicken. A good seasoning blend can make all the difference to the final taste. Rub your favorite spices and herbs onto the chicken, ensuring every part is well coated. Now that we have our cooked chicken, let's move on to the fun part: shredding and flavoring. Shredding chicken is easier than you might think. It's all about getting the right touch. To start, let your cooked chicken cool down a bit. It's easier to handle and it shreds better when it's not piping hot. Now grab 2 forks. Use one to hold the chicken steady and the other to pull the meat apart. Think of it like playing the piano, gentle but firm. The beauty of shredded chicken is its texture. It's light yet hearty, making it a great addition to soups, salads, tacos, you name it. Its versatility is its charm, and it's a lifesaver for those busy weeknight dinners. One pro tip before we wrap up: don't overdo it. You want your chicken shredded, not pulverized. Aim for bite-sized pieces that hold their own but still melt in your mouth. And there we have it. Perfectly shredded chicken ready for some flavor action. The first flavoring method we're going to look at is a classic, BBQ shredded chicken. This method is as simple as it is tasty. Start by preparing your BBQ sauce. Combine ketchup, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, and a dash of smoked paprika in a bowl. Stir it well until you have a smooth, tangy sauce that's ready to transform your chicken. Now, it's time to introduce that shredded chicken to its flavor partner. Pour the BBQ sauce over the chicken and mix it all together. Make sure each strand of chicken is coated in that mouth-watering sauce for the full flavor effect. This BBQ shredded chicken is not only delicious but also incredibly versatile. It's perfect for a quick sandwich, a hearty salad, or even as a pizza topping. The smoky, sweet, and tangy flavors of the BBQ sauce elevate the chicken, making it a star ingredient in any dish. BBQ shredded chicken, a classic flavor that never disappoints. Next up, we're going to spice things up a bit with a Mexican-style shredded chicken. To achieve this tantalizing flavor, we'll first create a zesty sauce. Start by blending together ripe tomatoes, fiery jalapenos, a handful of fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and of course, some robust garlic and onions. Simmer this mixture down until it's rich and aromatic, then season it with a dash of cumin, a pinch of smoked paprika, and a sprinkle of oregano. Once your sauce is ready, fold in the shredded chicken. Ensure every strand is coated, absorbing the bold flavors and spices. Let it soak in the sauce for a while to let the flavors meld together. The result? A succulent, spicy, and wonderfully flavorful Mexican-style shredded chicken. It's a versatile dish that can be used in burritos, tacos, enchiladas, or even atop a fresh salad. Mexican-style shredded chicken, a flavor explosion that's sure to impress. Last but not least, we're going to create a delicious Asian-inspired shredded chicken. Our journey begins with the sauce, the heart of this flavor profile. We'll blend together some soy sauce, a little bit of honey for sweetness, a splash of rice vinegar for acidity, and to bring the heat, a dash of sriracha. Then we'll toss in some finely chopped garlic and ginger to add that aromatic depth we all love in Asian cuisine. Once our sauce is prepared, it's time to reunite it with our shredded chicken. Make sure every strand gets a good coating and let the flavors mingle for a bit. This Asian-inspired shredded chicken is not only a taste sensation, but it's also packed with protein and low in fat, making it a healthy choice. Imagine using this in your stir-fry, salads, or as a unique filling for your tacos. It's versatility at its best. Asian-inspired shredded chicken, a unique and delicious twist on your regular chicken meal. And there you have it, shredded chicken 3 ways. We've journeyed through the world of flavor and texture, starting with our basic shredded chicken. We then ventured into our first method, which introduced a tangy and savory spin on this versatile ingredient. Our second method brought a hint of sweetness, balancing out the flavors and adding a unique twist. Finally, we dove into the third method, infusing our chicken with a spicy kick that's sure to delight the adventurous palates out there. Remember, these are just starting points. We encourage you to use these methods as a foundation and build upon them with your own unique twists. Try different spices, herbs, or sauces. The possibilities are endless. It's all about making your meals not only nutritious, but also delicious and exciting. If you enjoyed this video and want more meal prep hacks, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy cooking!